Hello and welcome back on this new video. Today I work a lot on animation and just displaying this little dashboard. Actually, all the morning I couldn't do anything, so I had like 4 hours maybe. I use motion to make the animations. So it's very integrated, very good integrated with React. So I'll just show you my animation. Here you can have this little thing on the bottom, and you can see that they are animated with the X axis and also the scale. So you have this feeling of the image moving like I wanted. So like this and like this. So that's quite cool. I like it. I think it's very good. So here on this little motion, you have a lot of things. I don't know if it's a very good thing for the future, because they really want to sell. If you go on their website, they really want to sell you things like with Motion Plus, with animation and things. So I don't really know for the future if it's a good thing. But for now it's very good, and it's very integrated. That's why also I don't like it's very integrated with Next.js. I don't know if they have like some promotion partnership, but I saw they are promoted on the documentation. If I go back here, I thought they are promoted like V0 from Next to make it to use the AI. So I would be fan. I think it's here. I don't know if it's here, but yeah, like they are a framer. Yeah, they're working with framer. So it's the implementation of another. It's like Figma, but it's to launch directly websites from the animation framework. So it's quite good, but I don't really know for the future. But yeah, you can animate it quite easily things. So on the code, it looks like this. If we go here, so I just put back a bit my where are my pages? Perfect. So on pages, it's what we will have. So on the left, we'll have the search. On the right, we'll have the big display with all the information about the places. So here we are on places display. So if we go on places display, we can see that we have a carousel, and this carousel will take the current places. So here you will have the all the research flow that will be able to switch from one to another one, and the carousel will have just for our job to display images. So that's why I put it on the component as well as the off component, and it can be reused for other things. So you just have to pass him the images. I don't think it's the best idea to put this object because it's not a generic one. But for now I don't see any other use of this carousel, so I'll just keep it like this. If we go on the carousel, you can see that I'm using motion React. So the motion version of React that's implemented for it, and you can see that I'm keeping the states, and I have two handlers to handle the next image, previous image, classical, and you can see here it's the most important, the motion. So every component of motion need to be encapsulated in motion. So you have the default div image like this. You can create your own if you want, and you can just start animated by putting an animate. That's the only thing that is needed is animation here. So it's how the animation will go, and initiate it's how the animation will start. So how is beginning and how is ending. So yeah, that's quite the same thing, just with different value for each one of them. Here I decided to put drag and drag culture it's to be able to here to drag and drop, but I didn't push more because I didn't have time. But yeah, I would like to because it really feel like we want to scroll but we cannot, and this I don't like. It's just for me to work with it, but either like a cross like this here or so, or like a cross like this. There is multiple things that can be done. I like something like this just to keep a bit of information. But yeah, I think that's it for today. I will continue very soon on this website. So tomorrow I will go on the Google Map to be able to display the map of the place. And I think if I have time, I will continue and I will add the map here, and I want to be able to display for each of the place. So to have a selection. So this will be encapsulated all the components. But yeah, that's it for now. Happy to continue to have you with me and see you on the next one. Cheers.